You are welcome to Frequency Online Maths. So today we are going to still continue from where we stopped about grouped and ungrouped data. So we are going to look at percentiles, decile of what ungrouped what data. You know that in the previous video we learned how to find the percentile, the decile of what group data. But this one we are going to look at ungrouped what data. So what is ungrouped data? I told you that ungrouped data are data that are in its purest form. We have not arranged anything. You get so that's ungrouped what data. So from the question, the following is a list of scores resulting from a mathematics examination administered to how many students? 15. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's good. You have to find a Q1. What is Q1? Q1 is our what is it called? Our lower quartile, right? Q3 is our upper quartile. D4 is fourth decile, fifth decile, ninth decile, 35 percentile, 36 percentile, and 90 percentile. So we write our solution. Our Q1 is equals to, the formula is just K n plus what? 1 all over 4, right? For this thing, for quartile, right? That's the lower quartile. So here is just the value we are looking for. So here is what? 1, right? So we are going to have Q1 to be what? 1 over 4 times what? N is what? How many times are here? 15 plus 1. So we are going to have Q1 to be 15 plus 1, 16 over 4, which is what? 4. So this thing shows us that Q1 is in the fourth position, right? So Q1 is what? In the fourth what? Position. So let's check for the fourth position. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Q1 is 19. That's the value for what? Q1, right? So we go for Q3. But before Q3, let's look for Q2. I know it's not in the question, but let's look for it. So we are going to have, using the same formula, Q2 is our media, right? So we have 1 over 2 n plus what? 1. That's the median what? Formula, right? So we have Q2 is equals to 1 over 2 n is what? 15 plus 1. So we have our Q2 to be 16 divided by 2, which is what? 8. So our Q2 is the 8th position. Is in the 8th position, right? So we are going to count 8 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are Q2. So Q2 is equals to 28. If you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's true. That's true. Which is the median, right? But now, the next one is to find our D3. Q3, right? Sorry. So our Q3 is what? 1 over, sorry, Q3 is 3 over 4, right? So we have K, right? We have 3 over 4. That's our upper quartile. 3 over 4, n plus what? 1. So our Q3 will now be 3 over 4, n is what? 15 plus 1, which is 16. So our Q3 is what? 16 times 3, 30, 18, 48. I think I'm right. 16 times 3, 48. Good. Divided by 4. Give me 12. So when you divide it, to give you 12. So this is the 12th position. So Q3 is what? Let's go for the 12th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are Q3. Q3 is 32. Answer. Good. So let's go for Q4. Okay, no Q4. We don't even have Q4. So D4. So that's the decile 4, right? So the decile 4, the formula will be 4 over 10 times what? N plus what? 1. Because we are dealing with what? It's just putting K here. Alright, so D4 will now be, this K is 4, right? 4 over 10, then n plus what? 1. So n is 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1, which is d4, will be 4 over 10, then times 16. So 16 times 4 will give us 64. So d4 will be 64 divided by 10, give us 6. Okay, sorry. 16, right? This time this 16 divided by 4 will give us 6.4. 6.4. So 6.4 position. So this 6.4 position, we are going to approximate it, right? So d4, so it will be approximately 6, right? So it's in the 6th position. So d4 is what? Let's look for the 6th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 23. So we approximated it because that 4 is not up to what? 5. So that's d4. So I'm going to clean the board so that we find the rest. So let us continue. We have finished d4, right? So we are going to look for d5. So d5 will be what? Just 5 over 10. That's decile, 50 decile, right? 5 over 10 n plus 1, right? So d5 will be 5 over 10 n plus 1, which is 16, right? Which is 15 plus 1, right? So we are going to have d5 to be, you know how we got our n, the total number of this thing, which is 15, we add it to 1, right? So we are going to be having 5 times 16 plus 80 divided by 10 is 8. We are going to have the d5 is in the 8th position. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28. d5 is 28. Answer. So let's look for d9. d9 is what? 9 all over 10 n plus 1, right? So d9 will be what? What is 9 over 10 times 16, right? d9 is what? 9 times 16 give us 144 divided by 10, give us 14.4, approximately 14. So d9 is what? Design 9 is in the 14th position, which is 35. If you count it, 35, right? Good. So let's look for what's it called? P P 35. That's 35, the 35th percentile, right? So what will it be? You know, percentile this time the formula is what? K all over 100, then n plus 1. Decile is over 10, right? The percentile is over 100. So we have P 35 is equals to K is what? 35, right? 35 over 100, then n plus 1, which is 16, right? We have P 35 is equals to 35 times 16. Give us 560 divided by 100, give us 5.6. So approximately is what? Approximately is what? 6, right? So it's in the 6th position. So P35, let's go for 6th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 23, right? So that's it. And let's go for P36. The 36 what? Percentile. So we're going to have what? Okay, which is 36 already. 36 over 100, then 16, right? We have P36 is equals to 36 times 16, give us 576 divided by 100, give us 5.76, right? So approximately 36, right? So my P36 will be what? The sixth position, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the same 23. Same 23, right? So let's look for P90. Let me clean the board. So our P90 will be what? 90 over 100 times our 16, right? So we are going to have P90 to be 90 times 16 to give us this divided by 100. Give us 14.4, right? So P90 approximately this thing is 14. So P90 is the 14th position, which is what? Which is 35. So this is the answer to all these questions. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Please do well to subscribe and follow us. Bye bye.